Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. This is another episode of Crafty Chic Design, small business vlog. My name is Tanya. Excuse me, guys. I don't know if you saw my last video, but I was talking about how I was not feeling well. Well, honey, I truly was not feeling well. I was under the weather for a long time. So if I'm doing some coughing, if I sound kind of nasally, I apologize. But I didn't want to get this video out because I want to talk about my new camera I got. I got myself a Sony camera, so I want to just share that and some of the other items that I got. So this is my new camera. Sony ZV-1F. I know a lot of vloggers use this camera, and I know I just started my YouTube channel, but I did not want to, because currently I am recording on my phone, and I probably still will be using my phone to do some recording, but I wanted to pick up this camera because cameras are what I'm used to. I was a photographer for over 20 years before I got into healthcare and before I got into crafting and everything like that. So cameras are my thing. I've been having a hard time with my phone. I've lost some footage and everything like that. So I kind of was like, okay, I talked to my husband. I was like, I need to get a camera. I'm really into this vlogging thing. I really want to do this and everything like that. So that lighting's much better. I really want to do this. I really want to like vlog and all of that. So we talked about it. It's okay. I know $4.99 is a lot of money to be spending on the camera, but like I said, I come from photography. I come from, taking pictures. I did photography professionally for 20 some years. So it's kind of my thing. And I wanted to just get myself a better vlogging content camera. So that's what I went with. I'm going to sit you guys down. We're going to open up some other packaging because I did get some accessories to go with this. So let's sit on down here and see what we got. So, like I said, picked up the Sony. I've already opened this because I kind of wanted to play around with it and kind of, look at the settings and everything like that. So far, I am extremely happy with the purchase of this camera. Very cute, very lightweight. I really do like it a lot. I mean, look at that. How cute is that? I mean, it's adorable. I will say what I've learned now, like I said, I've played around with this camera. People are not lying when they say the battery does not last. It doesn't. I mean, I love that little screen there. Can you see that? That's cute. I love that. And you can flip it so you can see yourself. I think it takes wonderful pictures. Like I've done some pictures and everything on here. Maybe if I go to the menu, I can show you. But when people are talking about the battery, it does not. The battery does not last in this camera at all. I mean, but look at that picture. That I don't know if you can see that, but she's looking hella good right there. Like that's beautiful. I mean, there are some wonderful settings on this camera. I mean, for $500, I personally think it's worth it. But the battery does not last in this camera. You're definitely going to need some additional batteries when you get this camera. So do know and understand that. I've did some quick like testing of the video quality. I think the video quality is really good. You don't need an external mic, but I do have one. I got like this little vlogging kit that I picked up, and I picked that up for to use with my phone. I was like, oh, okay, with this little camera grip. Like, I was not gonna go out and buy a bunch of like tripods. And all. I come from a world of as a professional photographer, so I have tripods, I have lighting, I have all these things. So I was not gonna go out and repurchase stuff that I can already use in my own arsenal. So I have like this little mic here. So I personally think that camera's great. I feel like it's definitely gonna help me like in studio. I've been having problems with my my phone, like just transmitting stuff to my computer or trying to do video editing on my phone, which I find difficult. I know some people do their video editing on their phone, which is great. I just have not been having a great time with doing that. So I wanted to get a camera that I can kind of vlog with, and I can upload it to my computer where I have more of a space and more, I can see better with vlogging on there. But I did, like I said, because that's the one downfall for me is the battery life. It does not last. So because I will be doing mostly my filming at home, I decided to pick up like this I don't know, external kind of like plug-in battery accessory. So this is about how big the battery is anyway. So I decided to pick this up to go along with my camera. I plug it up. I don't have to worry about my battery running out or running low because I will have this, and I'll have this plugged into the wall, which is great. Like most of the time I'm in studio when I'm doing my videos. I don't really don't want to take this camera out. If I want to do videos on the go, I will still be using my phone for that. I do have craft shows coming up. My first one is actually April 28th. I will definitely vlog using my phone. I don't want to take my camera out to do that. So that's what I'll be doing. So you'll get like a little bit of video from both aspects, from the camera and from the cell phone, which I don't know. I think the quality is good. Then this little thing here, I guess you're supposed to like pop this on here for like wind noise or something. But like I said, I'll be in the house with this one, so I don't think that'll be an issue. It looks cute though. The little thing sitting up there looking like a little puff puff. It looks really cute to me. I don't know. I just found that funny. And I also got like some screen protectors for the camera because I definitely do not want to damage that or anything, scratches or anything like that on there. So I'm a little 3-pack. Got it from Amazon. Anything I got, from Amazon, I'll link below for you if you're interested in any of that stuff. I definitely would do that. I have some other packages here. Excuse me. Like I said, guys, I was sick, and I mean, I was out for the count. I have not felt that crappy in a long time, and I'm still not 100%. So please forgive me if I feel like I'm talking too fast or if I sound muffled or something like that. I just really want to kind of just get through this because being sick like that really put me behind, but I couldn't do anything, so these here, even though I said I won't not be vlogging or on the go, I definitely might be taking that camera with me if I travel somewhere. Like I said, I think the quality of the pictures is awesome. So I did pick up some extra batteries here. So that is what I picked up here. And so I will have some batteries in case I need them for on the go. So let's open that up here. Okay. Okay, you said put the batteries down in that slot, you charge them. So Amazon, of course, as well. Will all be linked below. Let's see what else we got here. These packages have been just kind of sitting around since I was sick. What we got here? Oh, I got more ink cartridges because I have been trying to work on, there's some new products that I'm working on, and one of them is magnetic bookmarks is what I've been working on. So I've been like pretty much just running through my ink on my printer. So I just picked up myself some more ink for my printer. So I can keep practicing. Practicing make perfect, right? And then these are magnets, yeah, magnets that I picked up for the bookmarks. They're a little bit bigger than I thought they would be. So I don't know if that, those are going to work, but I'll try them out because I did get some other ones and they're just not sticking. So they're just crap. They're not doing anything. They're not sticking at all. And this here is self-adhesive laminated sheets. So they come in like holographic stars and have some rainbow. I thought that would look kind of cute too for the book, not just the bookmarks and stickers that I would be making. So there's a set of clear ones and all different ones in here. So I thought that would be kind of cute to do that. If I can get one out, let's see. I can actually see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. It has stars. I don't know if you guys can't see that. But it's all reflective and there's like stars all over. It's really cute. I think that's going to look really cute on some stickers or my bookmarks and everything like that. I'm really into reading and I love to read. I think I've talked about that quite a few times in my videos about how much I love to read and everything like that. Now, this package did not come from Amazon. I have really been into, like, this is some other products that I'm thinking about launching, and I'm not sure if I want to launch it under, the same brand name as Crafty Chic Design, or if I want to go a different route. I don't know. But these are some fragrance oils that I got from this company because I've already dabbled into making candles, and I've been making candles like for me and my husband here at home. And I made this one particular candle. I mean, this man was like, "Oh my God, this candle smells so good!" And he likes the black cherry smell, and he had been looking for like that. Oh, got packing peanuts here. Let me toss that to the side. And look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my God! I can't smell anything right now, so I'm not gonna be like trying to open this up and smell it. We'll do a unboxing or smell test or whatever after I'm feeling a little bit better. But this is from a company called Fragrance Buddy, and I wanted to give them a try. I'm like, oh, okay. But I made this candle for my husband, and man, he absolutely loved the smell of the black cherry, and it smelled like the black cherry scent that he had been looking for a long time. So I was like, oh, okay. And that, like, I mean, the hot throw, the cold throw, whatever, it smells amazing. So I was like, man, maybe I should just, try to dabble back into making candles. I have like a lot of candle supplies and everything. So I was like, maybe I should go down and get back into it and dabble into making candles and just see where we can go from there. So, because I enjoy it, it's very relaxing. It's not as complicated as people make it out to be. Not to say it's not easy. I mean, there's a science behind, candle making and things like that. So I want to get into like candle making and some room sprays and car diffusers and stuff like that. So I have the supplies and everything here. I just was kind of like, I hadn't really done it. But to say that, to say all that, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Oh my gosh, guys, you have no idea how sick I was. I mean, I was at the point where I was like about to go to the ED. I've been down this road before because, like I said, has nothing to do with the fact that I work in healthcare, but y'all already know it's been going on for a while, you know, and I wear a mask at work, blah blah blah, that whole spiel. But sometimes it just still happens. Still get sick. So I was out for a while. I have so much stuff that I need to get done. I have some sewing to do. Like I said, my first craft show will be April 28th. So I want to get myself prepared for that. I have some more dog bandanas to make for that. I have some more car coasters. So I have some designs I'm working on. My little table back here. I don't know if you can see this. I have mugs already wrapped, ready to go to press because I've been having a hell of a time trying to figure out how to do these mugs. Like my cups, I've been doing great with those. So, oh yeah, these two back here. These are some straps that I got for the camera. Cute. But anywho, I say this to say all that I have a lot of work to do. I already have like look my dog bandanas. I already got them all cut and ready to go. So I have a lot of stuff to get going, guys. I'm not gonna keep you because I need to get my craft space area cleaned up. So you see all that. That's the table. I just set everything on back there behind me. All my fabric and all that, my little loom machines for my knitting and all that stuff like that. I have some other. This is some more of my UV wraps for my cups that I need to cut out and get going with that. So trust and believe me when I say I have a lot going on. I have a lot going on. So I need to heal up. I need to feel better so that I can get cracking on all this stuff. Thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. I'm going to leave you here because I am tired. I'm going to have a little bit of lunch. I'm going to get some of this work done. And hopefully I will be back with another video soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.